Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this Kung Fu combo, we're working with sword and shield. So grab your sword and your shield, and let's get to work. Now, this is actually pretty simple. We're gonna focus on two types of striking: horizontal moving across the top, and horizontal moving under the shield. Now, although it is simple, it's really important practice because we need to be able to move around the shield when it's protecting us. We can't just pull it out of the way just so we attack, because we can be vulnerable to counterattack at that point. So what I'm going to do is basically move forward and attack horizontal high over the shield. Notice to extend forward here with that arm. And then I'm going to come across with my back foot across step here. I'm going to cut again, horizontal high. So we have high, high. Now from here, I'm going to go under the shield with the exact same footwork. Crossing forward here, stepping forward with the back foot. Okay, so we have again high, high, low underneath the shield, low. Okay, we want to maneuver around here because this is going to be our main amount of protection. Now it's all right to move the shield too as we're going from our high to our low. So we have up high, my shield's down a little bit lower, down low, my shield's a little bit higher. Okay, so again, nice and simple. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, keeping it nice and simple there, moving in, making sure we're always covered with the shield. Now, again, this is a really simple concept, but it does require extra practice because you don't want to accidentally get tied up hitting your arm or the sword on your shield. So do take the time to isolate one step, one cut, and you'll actually have much better success, not only in your practice, but in sparring or some kind of a drill or exercise like that. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and as always, be sure to subscribe. Till next time, this is Sifu Kuttel.
Bam.